Wash your hands. You've been recorded.
Oh my god. Camera woman. Bye.
Fuck with me. You might end up stuck with me. I know some niggas that's stuck in the past that can get in touch with me. I know some bitches be running their mouth saying what they done for me. I'ma just be in the mansion, getting the money, sipping on bubbly. I don't see competition in my peripheral, nothing in front of me.
Welcome back to my YouTube. Ooh, bitch, I'm burping. Alright. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are making banana pudding. Hence the yellow. So as you can see, we have our ingredients. We have our almond milk. We have 2 vanilla pudding, the powder. I got the cup, the measuring cup. You know, you want to make sure everything is measured correctly because you don't want your banana pudding to be too watery or too thick. We got heavy cream, we got nutmeg, we got the vanilla, we got condensed milk, and most importantly, you have your banana, which is important. You have your cookies to put on top for decoration, and we have our vanilla wafers, and we have our water to stay hydrated.
Girl, you ran through that.
What? You want me to go back?
You what language you speaking?
Okay. Go back. I'm gonna use this. How'd you call this? A blending?
Girl, I don't know. You asking the wrong person.
It's an easy mixer. That's what it is. And they got the little 2 things.
The whisk.
And then we got the wrist. Look at the wrist. Look at the wrist. We're gonna start with the dry powder. So how you guys doing? It's the 1st of the month. Elections is literally tomorrow. Like how y'all feeling? Like
today's the 2nd. You know, big old mess.
No, I'm not. I know what I'm doing.
You do?
Yeah. Woo! Yeah, I saw this person do this on YouTube, and I was like, let me try it myself. See if it really tastes good. All right, so make sure you clean up as you go. Put that to the side. Okay, so we got our dry ingredients in here. And now we're gonna put our milk. Remember, it's 4 cups of milk. Or yeah, whatever it says on the box too. I mean, the first cup, but this is actually 2 cups. So I only need 4 cups. We're gonna whisk this bad boy. So yeah, I'm mixing it in, baby. Yeah, like I was saying, every time I'm trying to talk about the elections, you keep interrupting me, camera woman.
Go ahead. All right, political woman.
I ain't political. I ain't political, but I hope you guys went out and vote who y'all wanted to vote for. Camera, okay. You making it? She gonna make her debut today, and I'm gonna leave. Make sure you guys mix, whisk. You need to go because today's video is very distracting. So I'm gonna add some vanilla to vanilla. I'm just gonna add like cat. Get some nutmeg. I like this nutmeg. It comes with its own grinder thing. Honestly, I don't know how much I'm putting in it. I'm just eyeballing. Oh.
Okay.
I was waiting for you to say something.
You was waiting on me.
Yes.
Okay. You having too much fun.
Alright, so and I was gonna buy a can opener. Now I gotta struggle with this. Look at this, look at this. I'm gonna get me a can opener. Because this don't make no sense. Like, because the thing doesn't twist. I asked you. Anyways, you guys, how's y'all day going? The year about to be over. It's literally 1 month left. I got planned for the year. Like, I mean, the year almost over, y'all. So
Goals.
whatever goal. Well, I really didn't accomplish the goal because of Corona. But hopefully you can still accomplish your goals regardless of the Corona. Like whether it's school, whether it's landing a job. Well, you probably didn't land a job because or yeah, you probably land an online job, or you decide to get creative like me. I decided to like going hard on in the YouTube world, start being consistent and stuff. So comment down below what you guys been doing and how you guys been getting through this during this tough time. Thank God for me. Thank God I was still able to work because I'm an essential worker. But other than that, I know some people was not able to work. All right, I got the condensed milk, and I'm gonna put the whole thing. I need some music. I'm gonna put this in the fridge. It tastes so freaking good, man. Okay, so I put the filling in the refrigerator to cool, let it do what it do. Now I got a new bowl, so I can put the whip, so I can whip this cream. It's better to use this whip because it's gonna be more thicker than using the regular cool whip. But with this one, I'm definitely gonna be using the machine because the wrist can't whip that long. Shake it before I put it. Really? Girl, bye. Wait. Cool. For my mama. So we got the filling. You see it? That thing jiggling. Y'all see it jiggling? Yes. And then we have the whip.
Get a wooden spoon.
I have a wooden spoon. Thank you very much.
Wait, say that again?
I have a wooden spoon. Thank you very much.
Who you talking to?
You. This is going on the gram. So we finna just put the whip.
Cool whip.
Y'all see that? Put that thing on top. I love these spoons. They be taking everything.
If you greedy.
Yeah, okay. Now we got the whip on top. All we're gonna do is stir it together. Like so. We're mixing it in. If you heavy-handed, like the camera woman behind there, it's not gonna work for you if you're heavy-handed.
Ha.
Have to be real quiet. You heard mommy in the background. Clean. It's like pudding. We could have just bought the little pudding cup.
You don't be bringing it close enough.
I mean,
okay.
Camera woman, adjust.
Thank you. No.
Adjust.
Bitch, I will walk away.
Okay, so now I'm gonna use this. Grab some. Put it in here. Mix it. So this is like starting the foundation, baby. Okay, now I'm gonna put wafers. We got wafers. I want it to be crunchy.
Oh, yeah.
Crumble. We're freestyle, baby. Chew a banana. Now we got our banana. I'm gonna just freestyle. And now we're gonna add another layer. It's like lasagna when you're just adding layers. Now we're gonna go in with the chestnut.
All right.
Damn.
You can't. Okay. Okay.
Alright, you guys, as you can see, we're done with the banana pudding. So I'm just gonna have this sit overnight, and then tomorrow we're gonna eat it. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.